This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open OneNote and sign in. This ties notes to your Microsoft account so they sync across devices. First, grant camera and storage permissions so you can capture images and attach files. Once done, create or pick a notebook and a section. This organizes information instantly. Tap the plus note icon to start. Use text, bullet lists, or the drawing tool. This gets you writing immediately, and it ensures your mobile notes appear on desktop later. You capture ideas fast. Tap Quick Note for text or record audio when typing is slow. Then attach photos or a PDF. OneNote keeps originals intact so you can annotate them. Make sure to tag items to do or important, so search finds them later, and use ink to text to convert handwriting when clarity matters. Once organized, drag pages between sections, rename titles for clarity, and pin high-priority notes to the top for instant retrieval when you need them. You're finishing up. Tap Sync to push local changes to the cloud so desktop and web versions match. If you need collaboration, share a page link and choose Edit versus View-only permissions. Collaborators see updates in real time. If notes fail to sync, try a force sync, toggle airplane mode, or clear the app cache. Reinstall only if necessary. Finally, make sure you have reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data. No connection means no sync, and that's usually the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.